Proud art, boys and girls, greetings from my living room. It's another lovely day and we're about to get started on our fourth celebration at Assembly. Bit different again this week because I've got a treat for you. All of your teachers are appearing this week in the Assembly and they're going to tell you exactly why and how you have been fantastic. And from what I'm hearing, you have all been fantastic. So regardless of whether you are lucky enough to have been awarded a certificate this week, well done, diolch yn fawr iawn. You are doing a great job. Gwaith da. I hope you're all safe, I hope you're all sound, and I hope you enjoy the new song that you're about to hear. After that song, we're going to lead straight into our assembly. And after that assembly, it's going to be time for the weekend, and you can take a couple of days off. And we will see you all next week. Stay safe, stay sound, speak soon. Hwyl fawr.
Hi everybody. Guess what? It's Friday again. Here we are, certificate day. First of all, I could have given my certificate to everybody this week. Your work on caterpillars has been absolutely fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. And I'm so proud of you all. But today, I've chosen 2 children, 1 girl and 1 boy for their certificates. I'm going to tell you why. I've chosen this little girl because she has done everything. She tries yoga and PE in the morning. She's been spelling her name. And this week, she sat down and she wrote her name all on her own. No help. Her mammy was so surprised. And so was I. So my first certificate is going to Khaleesi Burton Jackson. You clever girl. Can't wait to see you writing your name for me. Now, my second certificate is for a different reason. This is for a little boy. He's been doing lots of work too. He's been spelling his name, writing some numbers. But this one is for Teddy Morgan. Teddy Morgan, I think you deserve a certificate. Mammy and Matthew are so proud of you, as Nanny is, and so is Mrs. Thomas. And I know Mr. Penn will be too. Good boy, well done. I hope you love your certificate. Bye everybody.
Hello everyone. So, first of all, can I say a huge well done to every single one of you for working so hard this week and for all the fantastic pieces of work, photos and videos that you sent to me on Class Dojo. I'm so proud of each and every one of you. I wish I could give you all a certificate. So well done everybody. Now, my certificate winners this week are for girls. Both of them for exactly the same reason. And the reason why I've chosen them is because they've done an extra special, amazing backyard scavenger hunt. And those girls are Daisy Turner, so well done Daisy, and to Freya Hellier, well done to Freya as well. I'm really proud of all of you. I wish I could give every single one of you a certificate because you all deserve one. I can't wait to see the rest of the wonderful work that you're going to send me, and I will see you again next week for assembly. Bye!
Shemai Pawb, I am very much missing all of you, but you were all doing a fantastic job at staying home, staying safe. Diane, well done, keep up the good work. My home learners this week have been doing an amazing job at the should do and could do jobs and been choosing lots of lovely things to do themselves as well. So Diane Alea Cross, you are one of my home learners this week. You have been doing amazing PE jobs, challenging yourself with your reading and counting to big numbers. I am so proud of you. Keep up the fantastic work. Thomas Draper, a big well done to you as well. You have been working so hard at all of the different jobs that we have been doing, and you have also been challenging yourself to count big numbers too. Fantastic. I am so proud of you all. Keep up the good work. Hi.
Hello everyone. First of all, can I say a massive well done to each and every one of you for working so hard again this week and for all the fantastic pieces of work, photos and videos you've sent me on Class Dojo. I'm so proud of every single one of you and I wish I could give you all a certificate. But as you know, I can only award 2. So this week, I've chosen a boy and a girl. Our girl winner is going to be Amelia Baldwin. Amelia has been doing some fantastic reading this week. She's also been helping her mummy and daddy in the garden to plant some seeds. And she does this with a lovely smile on her face. So well done, Amelia. And our boy winner is going to be Mason Atkins. Mason does all of his jobs with so much enthusiasm. He does lots and lots of keep fit. And also, he always sends me a little message to stay safe every day. And that really cheers me up. So well done, Amelia and Mason. I'm really looking forward to receiving lots more work on Class Dojo this week. Remember to stay safe and I'll see you again next week in our celebration assembly. Bye.
Hi everyone. Our first Pupil of the Week certificate goes to Poppy Ann Corley for recognising and using different coins in her fabulous shop in her living room this week. Well done, Poppy Ann. Our second Pupil of the Week certificate goes to Harvey Miles for loving home learning and trying lots and lots of different tasks this week, and all with a really big smile. Well done, Harvey. And a big well done to everyone in our class for being amazing. Keep it up. Bye.
The first certificate in my class goes to Lisa David for some fantastic artwork. You really impressed me with your design for your book cover, Black Beauty, so big well done to you. The second certificate goes to Rhys MacDonald for completing his own research projects and reading every single day. Keep it up, the both of you. Well done.
Hi boys and girls, well done on another fantastic week of home learning. I've seen some amazing work and I've been really proud of it, so well done all of you. My first certificate this week is going to Millie Gray for her fantastic play script writing. Millie made sure she included lots of the success criteria and did a really good job, so well done Millie. My second certificate this week is going to Lowry Price. Lowry's been really enthusiastic with the way she's been completing all her homeschool tasks and I've been really enjoying seeing them. So well done, Lowry. Well done to all of you as well. You're all doing really, really well and working really hard, so keep it up.
Hello everyone, and well done to everybody from 3-4IT who's been working hard this week in Google Classroom and on all the other fantastic activities that we've made available to you. Our first certificate this week goes to Mason Roberts for a brilliant piece of artwork in the style of Andy Warhol. He's done 4 multicoloured burgers. They look delicious. Well done, Mason. Our other certificate this week goes to Alexandra Karp for working really hard on her home learning. So well done, Alexandra, and well done to everyone else for all the brilliant work you've been doing. I can't wait to share it all with you back in class. Bye.
Everybody, we've had a busy week in Year 4 on Google Classroom, but 2 children have got the certificates this week, and the first certificate goes to Tia Louise Pinney for demonstrating excellent use of ICT skills. So well done, Tia. I'm really impressed by what you're doing. And the second certificate goes to Lacey Taylor this week, and she's been writing lots of really interesting things that have happened to her, as well as lots of other tasks. So well done, Lacey, well done, Tia, and well done everybody else.
My first certificate goes to a very deserving young man this week called Liam Robbins, and he gets this certificate for creating his own homemade resources to help him in maths. An excellent effort all round. I've seen some wonderful work this week from you, Liam and Mum, so thank you for that. Benty Gedig, Dianti. Okay, this next certificate goes to a lovely young lady called Livy Wolf, and this is for a beautiful medal design, an excellent book review, and trying hard in all that she does. And again, I have seen some wonderful work from you this week, Livy. Ardderchog, da iawn, well done.
Hello everyone, hope you're all well. We've had a very good week in Year 5, Year 6, lots of quality work being submitted. Da iawn, I want to thank everyone. My first award goes to William Owen for doing a fantastic diary entry and making a delicious cake. My second award goes to Madison Buckley for an excellent reading last week, and this week she did an excellent review on The Beast of Buckingham Palace. Da iawn, Madison.
Hi guys, Celebration Assembly, and this week I've chosen Ella Wines as Pupil of the Week for an excellent research and presentation for VE Day. It was absolutely fantastic. And I've also chosen Tyler Langford for taking part in the Celebration Assembly last week and reading a poem for VE Day. Well done, you were brilliant, fantastic.